Here's how to disable your PIN on Robinhood. So we're going to go down to our profile so we can get to our menu. And inside of the menu, we're going to scroll down a little bit to security and privacy. Inside of here, you're going to find device security. It says PIN right underneath it. And then inside of there, unfortunately, you cannot adjust this enabled or disabled right here. So you cannot disable your PIN indefinitely or forever, but you can disable it for a period of time. So in this require authentication setting, it's usually immediately, which means your PIN shows up every single time you get on the app. But you can set it to as long as after 4 hours. So as long as you enter your PIN once, it's going to take 4 hours for it to ask you to enter it again. And when you do that, it's going to take another 4 hours. So you're not going to see the PIN pop up very often by setting this to after 4 hours. You can set it to whatever you want in here. So you can disable the PIN on Robinhood for a period of time. You can't disable it completely. However, this is how you can disable it for at least as long as 4 hours on Robinhood.